I told you we had information, credible information, that pre-ticking of ballots was going on. And I addressed it to the chairman of the Electoral Commission. And I praised you that you are the greatest chairperson of the Electoral Commission since independence. Actually, I begged you literally to take charge of this information, investigate, and try to address it. The result was the chaos that you saw, and you see Tanga sweating now. Seems it's guilty. This time there are rumors again that they're doing the same. And I warned you literally that UPC was in government twice. We have veterans, military veterans. These are not people who are simple. Holding a gun is like riding a bicycle. Even if you are old, you don't forget. So if tomorrow's election is tempered with, we don't want violence. Society has been peaceful, but Lord Chairman, take charge of this investigation that we are also investigating. There are places, specific places where they are doing it. We want you to allow us, first of all, I want to thank Chemonges, because he worked here in London and knows these people. Their operation, that's why he tried to help us in having it, to have a peaceful election. So allow these, the RPC and the DPCs who are there, allow our people to escort, like the chairman has said. We have to go and observe the dispatch of the ballot boxes. And let us escort them. Don't arrest our staff. These are staff. These are support staff to escort these ballot boxes to help the commission. To escort the ballot boxes so that they are not tampered with. That's why they went to the polling station, because they failed to do it before, like they did in Kenya and so on. So once we do that, no arrests made on these people, so long as they can identify themselves and correspond with us, with the leaders, that these are our people. They are peaceful, they are not campaigning. At 3 a.m. we go to where the ballot boxes will be opened openly with the representatives of the party. We send them to the polling station.
What affects you should also affect us. You played the victim even when we knew areas where you are rigging. I want now to call attention of security to the following areas. Dokolo border with Electoral, Bata and other areas there. Infiltration will come from Electoral. They will be on motorcycles, and every motorcycle carrying 2 people. Our intelligence, which we also have since you are viewers, has alluded to the fact that you are going to bring in the people you didn't even register, but to vote for the dead and others from Electoral. And this time round, sir, we are here together.